Your laptop dies at 40%, not 5%, not 10%, 40%. You were in the middle of something important and then black screen, nothing. You plug it in, it works fine. Unplug it, same thing happens. This isn't random. This isn't your laptop getting old. There are 3 specific reasons this happens, and I'll show you exactly how to fix each one. Stay with me because this one gets interesting. Here's what's actually happening. Your laptop battery isn't like a fuel tank. It doesn't drain smoothly from 100 to 0. It's a chemical system, and when that system degrades, the battery reports the wrong charge level to your laptop. So your laptop thinks there's 40% left. Then the voltage suddenly collapses and the system shuts down to protect itself. It's not a glitch, it's a hardware signal. The question is, which part is failing? There are 3 possibilities, and 2 of them you can fix yourself. Cause number 1, the battery itself. This is the most common cause and the easiest to diagnose. Every laptop battery has a limited number of charge cycles. Most are rated for 300 to 500 full cycles. After that, the capacity drops, but more importantly, the voltage stability drops. Here's how to check yours right now. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type power CFG/battery report. This generates a battery report. Look for 2 things. 1. Design capacity versus full charge capacity. If full charge is below 70% of design, your battery is degraded. 2. Cycle count. If you're above 400 cycles on a standard lithium-ion battery, you're in the danger zone. If both numbers are bad, you need a new battery, not a software fix, not a driver update, a physical replacement. But before you order a replacement, check the second cause, because replacing the battery won't fix it if the problem is somewhere else. Cause number 2, power management drivers. This one is invisible, and it tricks people into buying new batteries they don't need. Windows communicates with your battery through a driver, specifically the Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery Driver. When this driver gets corrupted, and it does, especially after major Windows updates, the battery and the operating system stop talking properly. Your battery might be perfectly fine, but Windows thinks it's dying. Here's the fix. It takes 2 minutes. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Expand Batteries. Right-click Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery and select Uninstall Device. Do not check Delete the driver software. Step 2. Do the same for Microsoft AC Adapter if you see it listed. Step 3. Shut down your laptop completely. Not restart, shut down. Step 4. Unplug the charger if it's connected. Wait 30 seconds, then power it back on. Windows reinstalls both drivers automatically on boot, and in many cases, the random shutdowns stop immediately. No new battery, no repair shop, just a driver reset. Cause number 3. Thermal shutdown. This is the one most people overlook. Your laptop doesn't just shut down when the battery's low, it shuts down when it's too hot. If your power cuts happen mostly when you're doing something intensive, gaming, rendering, video editing, the problem isn't your battery at all, it's your cooling system. Open Task Manager when it happens. Check your CPU temperature. If it's consistently above 90 degrees Celsius, your laptop is triggering a thermal protection shutdown. The fix is straightforward. Clean your fans and vents. If you're comfortable opening the back panel, use compressed air. If not, a repair shop will do it for cheap. In extreme cases, you may need to replace the thermal paste between your CPU and heatsink, but start with the cleaning. That solves it 80% of the time.
Here's the order to test these, from fastest to slowest. First, run the Power CFG battery report. If your cycle count and capacity are fine, move on. If not, you found your culprit. Second, reset the battery driver. This costs you nothing and takes 2 minutes. Do it even if you think the battery is the problem, because sometimes it's both. Third, check your temperatures. If shutdowns only happen under load, clean your cooling system before touching the battery. One rule before you start. If your battery is swollen, if the laptop case is bulging, if the trackpad is pushing up, stop. Do not open it. Do not charge it. Take it to a professional immediately. A swollen lithium battery is a fire hazard.
Here's what this comes down to. Your laptop isn't shutting down because it's old or broken. It's shutting down because one of 3 specific systems is failing: the battery hardware, the power driver, or the thermal management. You now know how to test all 3, in order, in under 10 minutes. Drop the number in the comments. Which of these 3 was your problem? And if you fixed it, let me know which step worked. Small creators run on your support. Thank you for watching.